You know, men that come for testicle replacement surgery are worried about how the replacement testicle is going to look. Will it look natural? Will it feel natural? Well, the good thing is that the testicle implants come in different sizes, so it can be matched to your real testicle. Everything looks completely natural. The prosthesis can feel a little bit firmer than your real testicle, but most guys get on very well with these implants because their confidence is soared when they are able to replace a lost testicle. If you're concerned about the appearance of your testicles, if you've lost one through trauma or disease, please do get in touch with us. We have a lot of experience with testicular replacement surgery. Make an appointment to come and see one of our urologists and discuss all the options available. That's all from me today. We look forward to seeing you soon here at Moorgate Andrology. In the meantime, bye for now.